It's amazing also today, on the 8th of September 2023. Nobody's coming now.
Yeah.
So Professorintie, Professorintie, we have filmed the Steakers C here before, and we can also film the Steakers A, so it's connected here. Also here in Munkkiniemi, Workspace Helsinki, Porsche was modernized Finland, built in 1992 by Otis with Otis Series 1 fixtures. 30 years old in 2022, and its number is B1192. Like the sounds in here.
Exactly.
Just the Otis logo by it, though.
Yeah.
It will be expected the next year, 2024. And there are 5 doors here. It's quite rare, but Series 1 and automatic doors built in residential building. We have found a little, but it's rare.
Yeah.
Series 1 and automatic doors in a residential in Finland.
Inspected by Lift Institute, maintained by Espoon Hissi.
And a bit like close to it, we have found from 1987 also.
Yeah.
Alpalina in Tampere first is with the automatic doors and the wire doors on the other side from 1987.
Yeah.
But that's probably the best one. It's because it's really rare.
Yeah.
The rest is 8 persons or 6 riders. That's it. Thanks for watching. Just take a stay. Nobody's coming.
Yeah. That's